If you are looking for the best bench grinder, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. WEN 4200. Popular, simple and inexpensive, the WEN 4276 6-inch bench grinder is a great value pick. It sports a 2.1 amp motor for a maximum speed of 3,450 revolutions per minute. It can fit grinding wheels that are 6 inches in diameters and 3/4 an inch wide. It has extra large eye shield and major wheel guards for added safety and worry-free use. The WEN 4276 comes with both a 60 grit and 36 grit grinding wheel for general purpose and faster grinding, but can be outfitted with a variety of wheels. Number 2. DEWALT DW758 Bench Grinder. The DEWALT DW758 8-inch bench grinder is a powerful and high-quality bench grinder unit that offers excellent performance for both home and commercial use. Its powerful 3/4 of a horsepower induction motor runs at a very impressive 3,600 RPM. The body is made from durable materials for long life, and the motor features overload protection to maximize its operational life as much as possible. The one issue with this 8-inch bench grinder is that it vibrates a lot when operational, which can cause the wheels to wobble a bit, making working on larger projects more difficult. Number 3. Number 3. SKIL 338001 6-inch bench grinder. Bench grinder. The SKIL 338001 6-inch bench grinder is a high-quality bench grinder that should work well for most domestic users in a wide range of different situations. It operates quietly and smoothly at a very reasonable 3,450 RPM, although heavy-duty work can cause it to overheat. This bench grinder features a small footprint and a high build quality. This has a set of built-in LED work lights over each of the wheels, allowing you to see clearly exactly what you are working on at all times. Rugged cast iron base and motor housing provide durability and prolonged life. Number 4. Rikon Professional Power Tools, 80805, 8. Rikon Professional Power Tools slow-speed bench grinder is not one of the most versatile bench grinder models out there, but it is hard to beat for slow-speed applications. The motor is not massively powerful, and it doesn't offer great performance for heavy-duty industrial applications, but this bench grinder is a very good choice for slower speed uses such as knife sharpening. The slow motor and low-temperature white aluminum oxide wheels keep the operating temperature to a minimum. The adjustable safety eye shield and spark resistors allow you to feel safe. Number 5. Number 5. TruePower 199 Mini Multi-Purpose Bench Grinder. The TruePower 199 Mini Multi-Purpose Bench Grinder is one of the smallest bench grinder models available. Its 3-inch wheel isn't going to replace a 6-inch or 8-inch bench grinder for you, but it will be enough for most regular tool sharpening projects. This boasts a powerful 150W high-speed motor with variable speed control from 0 to 10,000 RPM. This bench grinder comes with a 31-inch flex shaft attachment, 3-inch grinding wheel, and a 3-inch fiber polishing wheel. It is a lightweight bench grinder weighing only 7.2 pounds.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.